Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre on a very hot day across South Africa, especially over the northern parts where temperatures are expected to reach the 40s today, especially the low veld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo as well. That's as a heat wave continues to affect northern South Africa, including Gauteng. Over the southwestern parts, we're expecting slight cooling as a weak cold front brushes past. This is this morning's satellite image. We can see a bit of cloud over the Northern Cape, and in this clear area across KZN and the Highveld, we're expecting thunderstorms to develop during the course of the afternoon. There's a very faint cloud band visible on our satellite image just touching the southwest coast. That's associated with a weak cold front that's going to bring some light drizzle to the Cape Peninsula and light rain this evening along the south coast of the Western Cape. Otherwise, isolated thunderstorms will pop up on the Highveld, the southern parts of Northwest and the Free State, and especially so in KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, with very low risk of rain over the Western Bushveld and southern Namibia. Now let's take a look at our synoptic analysis. A high pressure system ridges in behind this cold front, causing the light rain along the south coast tonight. Otherwise, very hot conditions over the northern parts of South Africa, and this will persist for the next couple of days, with isolated storms over the eastern and central parts and strong winds this afternoon along the west coast. The South African Weather Service warns against a high fire danger over the western interior due to persistent dry and hot conditions. There's also a watch today for severe thunderstorms over the far eastern parts of the country, mainly along the escarpment areas of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Now let's take a closer look at our wind forecast for today. Light winds over the eastern interior, a breezy day along the Eastern Cape coastline, and winds will pick up in Cape Town later on, reaching speeds of 35 kilometers per hour. That's bringing a bit of cooling to the southwest coast, highs of 24 in Cape Town, 24 degrees in George as well, but it's much warmer over the Free State and Northern Cape, upper 30s in Bloemfontein, Kimberley at a high of 39, and Pretoria reaching a maximum of 37 today. But let's zoom in over the northeastern parts to take a look at some of the other temperatures in the region. 38 in Rustenburg this afternoon, 39 in Lephalale, maximums exceeding 40 degrees in the Lowveld, and even on the Highveld we're expecting a very hot day with 34 degrees in eMalahleni. For Sunday afternoon, things don't improve much in the northeastern parts. We're still expecting a very hot day. There's still a risk of thunderstorms, but along the south coast it will remain cool, while Cape Town warms to 27 degrees. But on Monday, the next cold front brings cooling in the Western Cape. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a wonderful day.